Congratulations on your promotion, Proprietor. It was not before time. I'm pleased to report that the men are ready to deploy for battle, despite the foul weather we've been dealt.
Good. Our camp blocks this road, and while we hold this position, the enemy cannot pass. Deploy the infantry in a line facing down the valley so that each unit covers the flank of the next. See to it.
Melee infantry ready!
Italian swordsmen!
I am ready.
Send some scouts forward to observe the Samnite advance, Commander. The brow of the hill obscures our view from here.
Quick march!
Samnium shall fall. At the double! Hold positions, men! We're here to guard this pass, not chase them back to Samnium.
The Samnites are sending javelins against us. They mean to disrupt our line before their infantry engage.
We can use our cavalry to chase them off. They remain hidden from the enemy behind this hill. Advance the cavalry to the side of our position. Keep them concealed. Use the brow of the hill or the forest as cover.
Commander! Melee cavalry! Equities! Jupiter gives us strength!
Equities!
For victory!
The main body of the enemy are advancing, Sardanis.
Let them approach. That muddy ground will sap their strength.
Orders! Commander! Ready! Riders at the double!
Equities!
Fight well, men, and hold your ground! The fate of Rutilus and all...
Equities! Orders! Swift melee cavalry! Victory!
Engage! Time, ready and waiting. And
Praetor, your very presence can sway this battle. Your words can rally and inspire the men before you. Use your influence.
Commander, ready and waiting.
Brave Romans to a man!
Equities! Riders! Advance!
What news?
Equities!
In service of
Italian swordsman! Your orders? Double time! Heavy slingers!
Equities! Astati!
Italian swordsman! Ready!
Equities! Mars! Engage!
Melee troops awaiting orders!
The Sun Knights flee! Commander, you are surely fated by the gods. No previous leader has driven back the Sun Knights so quickly.
soldiers! Victory is ours! Your descendants will dine on your achievements here today. When he walks free, the consul will bestow great privileges to you all. You may...
Congratulations are in order, Proprietor Silanus, for I understand that the Senate have appointed you to lead the invasion of Samnium. An easy choice to make, if I may say. The Senate wished for you to return the settlement of Salernum to us. It was overrun by the Samnites some years ago, and its capture would again give Rome control of Campania.
Very well. Send word to Rome that our attack will begin immediately.
Salve.
We cannot train further recruits. The treasury is just too stretched to support greater numbers. Word may have reached you of some minor concerns regarding Rome's finances, but do not let them distract you from your military duties.
Silanus.
Salve.
Silanus, we are at war, and you dither in your duty. Salernum is there for the taking. Attack now!
Silanus. Siege engineers to the fore!